Hey there, I'm Abbie Shepherd, local resident, neighborhood realtor, and proud member of the Garden Hills Pool. Welcome to this awesome amenity in Garden Hills, one of the coolest spots in Buckhead, literally and figuratively. We're going to walk through all that this pool has to offer, give you the insights and outsights about membership, swim teams, and whatnot. But first, let's do a brief introduction of this video series. This video series is all about the Garden Hills lifestyle, and whether you're a resident as well or considering moving to the neighborhood, I hope that you find this information in here inspiring and helpful. We'll walk through all the amenities and everything it has to offer and let you know what the everyday life is like living in Garden Hills. As always, if you have any questions, whether you're looking to buy, sell, or just get connected in the neighborhood, you can always give me a call, Abbie Shepherd, 404-275-5561. So this isn't just a fun hangout. This is actually a city pool available to anyone for just $5 a day. But if you are lucky enough to get a membership to the pool, you get extended hours and early and late season access. So normally the pool's open from around Memorial until Labor Day. And as one of the city's very few heated pools, this makes it super enjoyable for even your early May and late September swims. And as a member, not only do you have access to extended hours, but you have some of the best events all summer long. There's movie nights under the stars, teen events, adult-only parties, and that 4th of July event you do not want to miss. Think the biggest party all season long. We have greasy watermelon games, belly flop contests. It is so much fun, you do not want to miss it. So one of the best secrets of the Garden Hills pool is the diving board. Check out the height on this baby. So we do have a local dive team that dives. However, it's really the adults that enjoy this amenity. My husband being one of them, that's his favorite thing to do, come splashing all summer long off this high dive with the kids. And you will catch, if you're here on summer nights, two brothers who grew up in the neighborhood who love to show off their dives in style with cannonballs, double back flips, and more. So watch out, everybody loves this amenity. And if you've got little swimmers, this is the spot. People come from all over the Atlanta area to join the Pool Sharks swimming team. So we have a summer swim team that starts in May and goes all the way through August, and a fall swim team, which is a little less commitment. You just compete one meet at the end of the year, and it's for people who are traveling all summer and can't quite commit to the full summer swim team. But it is loads of fun. The kids learn strokes, they have excellent coaches, and get to compete all around the Atlanta area throughout the summer. It's fantastic fun. And one of the best kept secrets is the adult swim team, which you do not want to miss. Since COVID, we've taken home championship every year with the exception of one where we got second place, but we have a state-of-the-art facility to swim in, heated early mornings, swim practice with some of the best coaches around. One of them, whom with Jen Jeroen, went to the Olympic trials for Canada. And our fearless leader and captain, Jack Alexandra, keeps the team all together, motivated and pumped year-round for all those big trophies we bring home. So don't miss the Adult Swim League. Also, as you can see in any pool, we'll have swim lessons and shark pups for the little ones who don't quite know how to make it across the pool yet. Oh, fist bump. Don't miss the upper pool deck where kids can get out of the sunshine, play some foosball, or you can hang out, just lounge out of the sun and watch your kids from the pool deck. Also available for rent is the community pool house. This space currently being used to pass out the swim team shirts. Can also be leased out for parties, kids crafting. We also use it with the garden club for bunko nights or flower arranging or just community meetings. This is a great space, walks out onto the pool and the community park right this way. So perfect for your indoor, outdoor parties. Pool house inside, walks right out onto the community playground. So another cool thing about the Garden Hills pool is that kids could start working here when they're 14 years old as pool rats. So they could work the pool deck, concession stand, and earn a little cash during the summertime. Also, when you're 15, you can get your lifeguard certification. So it's great for families who live in the neighborhood and their kids just want a summer job. The pool rat and lifeguard is a great opportunity to get started. Another great feature of the pool is the availability for party rentals. For anywhere from $150 to $300, you can rent out a space for your summer birthday parties, which keeps the cost down and the kids playing all day long. Another cool perk about being a member is when you get that extended hours, imagine this, a long day of work in the summertime. Mom and dad come out, bring their drinks, order DoorDash, put their feet in the water, and the kids are wearing themselves out in the pool all night long. Nothing to clean up, no cooking required, and you get your drinks and afternoon relaxation by the pool at Garden Hills. And here you'll find our winner's trophy case, right? So you've got all the adult swim championships and all their photos. You can see our captain, Jack Alexander, up there, and a famous coach, Jim Jeroen. And the kids are also champions. You'll see some of their beautiful trophies as well. Up here on this corner, we've got, this is Dan Martin. So the current pool house was built in 2014. It replaced the original one level wooden structure. This one is in honor of Dan Martin, a local florist and community green space advocate whose family trust donated $100,000 to complete our fundraising. This is a symbol of what the neighborhood is all about, neighbors coming together to make something great. So whether you're diving in for the pool, racing with the cool sharks, or just enjoy a summer evening with your friends, the Garden Hills pool is the place to be. I'm Abbie Shepherd, your local realtor and resident here in Garden Hills. You can always reach me for all things Garden Hills, Abbie Shepherd 404-275-5561. See you at the pool.